Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can play around with temperature and sampling with foundation model in native iOS. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, I have created a simple UI kit application, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. There is no UI logic as such, it would be an empty UI logic, that's why. So first, all I have done inside our view controller is, so here you can see this is my project, and all I have done is I have imported foundation model. Then here is our system language model.default, and here I have defined our language model session. Then I'm checking inside view.load, I'm immediately checking for availability. If it is available, then I'm just asking what is 2 plus 2, and here inside this option you can play around with the sampling. So the sampling I have kept it as greedy, and the temperature is 0.2. so like I said, you can play around with these values to get what response, at whatever response you get, then you can keep that particular value. In case if Apple Intelligence is not enabled, I just reply, like write this message. In case model is not ready, we just say model not ready, and default use case is also model not ready. Now do keep in mind, if you want to run this on a simulator, you have to update to Xcode 26 and macOS Tahoe. If you have a real device with Apple Intelligence enabled, then you can run on it, but you still require Xcode 26 for this to use this feature. So yeah, that's all there is to it. I think it is still waiting up for the output. I'm not sure if it has already printed the output. It does take a bit of time. I don't know, my machine has slowed down quite a bit as soon as I upgraded to macOS Tahoe. But let's just do it again. The output will be 14. The sampling and temperature will not play that much of a big part, because this is a defined output, right? In case if you are asking it to tell a story or summarize something or something other which is very generic, then this sampling and temperature will play a lot of will be of lot of use. So I don't know why it is okay. So finally 2 plus 12 equals 14. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.